Scholarships. Does ISB offer scholarships? How can you get a 100% scholarship at ISB? What GMAT score is needed for the ISB scholarships? These are some questions that we hear year on year, and things are changing very quickly. There are a lot of options for you to study at ISB with a scholarship. So let's discuss what the ISB scholarships are like. There are virtually around 10 kinds of ISB scholarships. You have the merit based scholarship, then you have the merit by diversity scholarship. You have scholarships for armed forces. You can get an ISB scholarship if you are someone with an association with ISIC and many others. So let's look at these one by one. And the best part is that around 25% of ISB's PGP class receives some form of financial aid. So that's something that is a real motivator for you. You really get scholarships. Last year we had applicants getting anywhere from 50 to 75%. Over the last few years, we have had applicants getting anywhere from 50% to 100% scholarships in terms of the tuition fee waiver at ISB, and you can do it too. The first is the ISB merit waiver. This is awarded to the top performers across academics and work experience. So ISB evaluates everything that you have submitted to them and selects the applicants who will receive the ISB merit waiver. Now, the coverage for this ranges from 25 to 100% of tuition fee favors, which is something that you can really target in, achieve starting now in the admissions process. So this is what the ISB merit waiver is about. Plus, you can apply for other scholarships. There are individual scholarships that you can apply for once you have submitted the application form, which we have listed over here. Now, there is another merit scholarship that you can receive at ISB, which is the merit by diversity. So, if you're someone who's coming from an unconventional academic or a career path, let's say design, government, teaching, non engineering backgrounds, then you will be evaluated both on merit and diversity, and you can be eligible for the ISB merit by diversity waiver. So, this is an important thing that you should know when you are trying to position yourself for the ISB application or you're building your application strategy. Again, you can also look at the international diversity waiver. So, if you're an applicant who is either a foreign passport holder and you are bringing in the international experience to the ISB cohort, then you will be considered for the international diversity waiver as well. Apart from that, you can also apply to the ISB need cum merit waivers. So, this is available to those who have a family income less than 18 lakhs, which includes your own income, and there would be an essay that will be required for this submission along with the proof of income. There is an ISIC ISB waiver that you can apply for. If you have any past or present association with ISIC, then you can submit your proof of affiliation and a brief essay to apply for this scholarship. There is a Bridge to India waiver that you can apply for if you're an Indian professional who's returning to India after working abroad. This scholarship is for you. Armed Forces scholarships, this is of course awarded to candidates with a background in the Indian Defense Services, and it covers up to 50% of the tuition, in terms of the Armed Forces scholarship. These categories of scholarships will require a separate essay to submit. You Once the application form is submitted, you will get a window to choose which ones you want to apply to, and you will have to submit the relevant proofs as well as the essays for these particular scholarships. There is another set of scholarships that you can apply for, which will be the donor funded or the alumni funded scholarships. Again, this pool is increasing day by day. It has been updated in 2025. And a lot of these scholarships will require a specific essay. There will be supporting documents which will be required, or there might be some very specific donor led criteria for the selection for the ISB scholarships, which are funded by alumni as well as donors. Some of these are the Bajaj Auto Scholarship, the Vidya Chalan Scholarship. There's another category of ISB scholarships that you can consider, that is the diversity or the return to work grant. So, Indira Vasudha Scholarship is for women who are resuming their careers after sabbaticals or family breaks. Again, similarly, there is an Ishwar Prakash Agarwal Scholarship, which prioritizes differently abled applicants. So, or women relaunching their careers. So, in case you fall in this category, then these are also the scholarships that you can look at when you are putting up your ISB application. And it is not over, ISB also supports you even after graduation. So, there is a Develop India Scholarship which is offered by ISB. So, if you're returning to work in NGOs or the social impact startups or the public sector, post your ISB PGP, then the Develop India Scholarship is for you. It covers up to 24 EMIs of your educational loan. So, this will be paid directly into your loan account. So these are, great options for you to consider when you are applying to ISB, and how it supports your journey in terms of covering the fee and giving you the financial aid and scholarships. How do you get a scholarship at ISB? These things are becoming very competitive. So as the availability is increasing, the competition is also increasing. So you need to make sure that you're applying early. It will definitely have an advantage. Applying in round one is always a good idea, because you will be one of the first movers. So if your application is good and strong, then you can expect results favorably, even the scholarship results favorably. Highlight your impact, focus on your application strategy well, prepare for each aspect of the application. We have had applicants with high GMATs also getting the scholarships, as well as people with average GMATs also getting the scholarship, depending on how the application strategy has been prepared. So you have to ace the complete admissions process to be able to get a scholarship at ISB, which includes your application, your essays, as well as your work experience and your interview. So make sure that you're preparing for each of these aspects equally well.